Girls of the internet. It's early in the morning, so forgive the mess. I've got a backup camera, rearview mirror, DVR camera thing. Thank you, truck. We're going to install in my Ford Escape back here. So mainly, I wanted this because it's got a backup camera on it. The rest of the stuff's just a bonus. But open up the box. They gave you some paperwork. There's some paperwork on the floor now. Let's move over here to the hood and we'll check out what all we've got going on in this box, okay? So we got some instructions and some more instructions I threw on the ground. I've never put one of these in. Well, no, I take that back. I put one in on our other car a few years ago. When I said sunroof, I meant like the headliner. I don't know if that's how we're going to do ours yet. And the cords, when you plug them in, this one wants to automatically fall to the left, which is okay. But my power receptacles are on the right side, so I would have preferred to have been able to run them down the passenger side of the car. But I've got plenty of cord, I think, so it shouldn't be too big of an issue. So let's get this thing put back up here. Never hurt. It goes in reverse, bam. There's our backup view. We can make it bigger. And out the door we go. How neat. Now I have not adjusted any of the contrast settings or anything yet, so might need to do that. I don't know yet. How high it's looking up or anything. It is kind of hard to see right now though. Let's just leave it. It actually looks like it's got really good quality. If I had an SD card, I could record some of it. But I can't do that, so. But it does appear to have a pretty good view of everything. Like I said, if you're driving, you got a quick record. Which is pretty neat. And then at any point you can bump the button on the bottom, it turns off and becomes just a regular old rearview mirror again. Pretty neat stuff, if I do say so myself. Now I've never used it for this intention, but I've got a dash mount over here that's probably going to be pretty shaky, but it's kind of neat. Don't have to hold anything. I can just talk to you guys right here. Dash cam's still rolling up there. We're on our way out, so looks like everything's working pretty good. I know one thing, it's time for lunch, because I have spent more time than I anticipated trying to make that do what it needed to do, so I have worked up the appetite. So I'm gonna figure out some lunch now. There's your dash camera. Wow, we're pretty shaky right now. Sorry, nobody gets seasick. This one's from Amazon. I'm gonna throw a link in the description box below if you want to check one out for yourself. Eventually what's gonna happen is when we get the big red dirty Dodge fixed, because you know it's still broke. I don't have the money to fix it right now. The transmission's gone in it. And I can't afford to do anything about it, so we're in the Escape. But when I get the Dodge fixed, we're gonna put this dash cam setup into that Dodge Ram, because I'd rather have it in the big truck than this little Escape. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna go find lunch, get my mess. We're out here in the cornfields, off-roading, doing a little bit of off-roading anyway. We're having a severe storm right now. Is there a ditch right here? No. We're having. Yeah, we've got a severe storm going on right now, so we are just. We're out here. There you go, right there. In that rut. We're just taking advantage of all the flooding. Here we go. Oh, if I had to guess, we've probably had like 5-6 inches of rain in an hour. I'm not kidding. It was terrible earlier. People on the highway were stopped. We kept going. Yeah, we just kind of kept moving. Oh, holy cow! Okay, get off of this. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool though. That was good. Yeah. I can drift in the rain. Hear the Jeep. Can't control it. Oh man. Look at this donut right there. Here comes the big stuff. Hold on a sec. Just don't drive us into a tree. Yeah, this entire section of road right here is just underwater. Oh my God. We should have brought an SUV.
I said Braden Tahoe.
I was not.